what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily replace SSN card online. So in your Google search bar, just search for this exact phrase. Type in SSA Gov replace SSN card. And from the search results, you should be able to see a link that says replace social security card. So just click on it. This will redirect you to the official website of Social Security. So as you can see here, there's a note that says you may not need to replace your card if you know your Social Security number. In most cases, a physical card isn't necessary, but there's a way to replace your card. All you have to do is start answering few questions. So just click on this button. And from here, all you have to do is answer on screen questions. Make sure that you enter details correctly and accurately. And you should be able to get guidelines on how to get a replacement for your card. You can also get support for completing this task. You can always reach out to them by calling them on their hotlines, which is available in most US time zones Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. in English, Spanish, and other languages. You can call this hotline and just tell the representative you want to request a replacement for your social security card. And this hotline is for those experiencing hard of hearing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!